How to turn on Instagram professional mode. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable professional mode within the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to enable professional mode, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, then select your profile icon in the bottom of the app to navigate to your Instagram profile. Once you get to your Instagram profile, select the three horizontal lines in the top right of the app to open the menu. Then once the menu opens, scroll down until you get to the For Professionals section. It's near the bottom, and select Account Type and Tools. Now all we need to do is at the top, select Switch to Professional Account. You can read through this information to see what it means to switch to a professional mode, and then select Next. Now just select the category of professional that you are. I'm a digital creator, and I'll have that displayed on my profile by toggling on Display on Profile. Now just select Switch to Professional Account. Configure if you're a creator like me, or if you're a business where you want to make sure you can display a phone number, address, things like that, you want to select business. So I'm a creator, I'll select next, and I'll turn off the promotional emails. I don't want those, and then I'll select next. Now we can go through the different options they have for setting up different things within the professional account, but we can select the X at the top, and we now have a professional account on Instagram. As you can see, we can select into our professional dashboard and see different analytics and information about our account. All right, so that's how you turn on professional mode on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.